Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in the market opening. As you can see, gold from the lower time frame now showing significant trading opportunity on the market opening. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at first of all monthly time frame to do a complete multi time frame analysis. Now looking at the monthly, we can see that gold is a long term bullish market. We see that from this monthly support, this is the historical monthly level of support. From the support, gold has a bounce followed by this correction. It has another bounce, which is another impulsive phase. Now in that impulsive phase, what we have seen that gold previous months has formed this narrow doji. This is the monthly doji, and with that doji we saw that as soon as market open, after a little pullback, gold has a bounce to the upside. And as soon as we had seen that bounce, we have seen gold has created all-time high, grabbed the liquidity, and then immediately again rejected towards the downside for a deeper pullback. At this point, what do we see that gold has dropped a lot, creating a long wick candle at the top on the monthly, which highly likely that will fill at some point. As we see that this is a bullish market, highly likely the price will continue to rise to create new higher high. And also we see that this current monthly candle has formed this above this important monthly level of support, which we saw that created by these two back-to-back monthly long week candle as well as monthly opening and close form this candle on top of the support, and it could remain stronger and we could see the market is pushing to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that a bit more clearer price action confirmation. First of all, this is the weekly candle. We see that this price action above this just broken this weekly support trend line and grab liquidity and form this long wick candle, which has in fact a healthy body and with a long wick at the top. And today market open with a gap after little pullback. We see that gold again pushing to the upside. As we see, there is a long wick in that candle, highly likely that gold will go ahead and fill that week, at least some part of this long week we can expect it to fill this week, or even we could see a break and creating new higher high. From the weekly perspective, we see potential bullish momentum. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily time frame, gold today open, as soon as market open with this gap, we see the price started to push to the upside. Now we see that gold previous day from this 20 EMA had a significant bounce. Now with that bounce, we saw that gold started to move. As we see that there is a strong momentum, we can expect now gold to continue to rise at least some part of this distance. As we see, there is a previous resistance, support turn resistance here below this long week daily doji, and we can expect gold to test this previous long term support turn resistance on the lower time frame, and then we could see again a drop to grab liquidity from this daily 20 EMA. So for the short time, we can expect gold to continue to rise to that resistance level. Now, if we look at the intraday time frame, on the lower time frame, we see that gold currently after this previous sessions, this is the 4 hour time frame, has formed this bullish candle. In fact, the price crossed this back-to-back two dojis zone and then form this bullish candle. Once that candle from the next session, we saw that after retest of this previous resistance turn support here on the lower time frame, gold has formed another bullish candle. This candle is going to close very soon. We see that this one also the price is forming typical bullish price action. As we see that after a bullish engulfer followed by a narrow candle, we could see another candle to continue to rise. At least we can expect 2030 level later today, as soon as we will find on the lower time frame for this entry. Now from the intraday perspective, we see that there is already multiple times the price grab liquidity. On the 15 minutes time frame, we see the price is continuously grabbing liquidity, creating level of false breakout. Now we saw that there was another 15 minutes candle that also crossed this low, and the price form as a long weak handle. Now, what I think that as we see the market is respecting this support level, at some point we can expect the price to continue to the upside to create a new higher high. Now, in this lower time frame, we saw this impulse, and the price has formed this consolidation pattern, which in fact multiple times tested this previous resistance here as a support, and we can expect the price to continue to rise in the direction to create at least a new higher high. So this is the zone that we will be waiting for a potential entry opportunity from the lower time frame perspective to take this move to the upside. Only after price action confirmation, if we see that it is satisfying the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.